I will be describing or explaining the usage of Manda in Fijian. So first of all, what is Manda? As defined in the Evolvosa, the Fijian monolingual dictionary. Guess it's the first of its kind in the Pacific, and it's available online, and I've downloaded it. So it defines Manda as Ivagamamanda ni Ivagaro, which means it softens a command. Let me give an example. Ndambe, that's a command, to sit or sit down. Ndambe. Now you insert manda. Ndambe manda. Ndambe manda. In English, the equivalent would be like saying sit, and once you insert manda, it thus becomes sit down, please, or please sit down. That's the usage of manda in Fijian. If you like more like this, please like and subscribe, and I will be putting out more. Minaka, thank you for liking the Fijian language, and we'll see you again.